Hi, my name's Hues. I'm here in beautiful White Rock and here to share with you what the My House Design Build team has done once again on a beautiful home with a great view. This particular home has been in 2 different families in the course of the last 10 years that we have worked with them. We've done this project in 2 phases. First, we started by taking their existing large deck area and we've enclosed that and made a beautiful sunroom with opening skylights, with shades that are motorized to allow to block out the heavy, warm sunshine from the south. And then we've done a complete refresh on the main floor, including a great kitchen, beautiful ensuite, and I'm looking forward to sharing all of those details with you. Come on inside, let's take a look.
This young family purchased this home because of the incredible panoramic ocean views and wonderful location. However, to make it all their own, they did some minor floor plan upgrades and a complete refresh throughout. For the portion where we renovated the kitchen, we kept the kitchen essentially in the same location that it was, but we wanted to enlarge the island by creating the larger L-shaped island that allowed us to have seating along one side directly facing the view. We wanted to have functional storage within the kitchen space, so we have spice pullouts, a mixer lift, Tupperware storage, and magic corner cabinets. The clients have quite modern taste, so we integrated a very bright blue element that we're showing on the island and on a cabinetry next to the oven. And we've paired that with bright white cabinets and a neutral backsplash. Bringing in colors from the surroundings, such as the bright blue from the island, replicating the blue of the ocean water view, and driftwood tones on the wet bar help to bring that outdoor feeling in. With the floor plan reconfiguration, we altered the space where the dining room was and we converted that into a home office space for the clients to use, thus creating a nice alcove for a wet bar and a larger area for a future dining room space that's integral to the kitchen area. Both bathrooms were at one point conjoined. You could access via a door from one to the next. We reconfigured the bathrooms so that they were each individual and did a large walk-in shower and double sink vanity in the primary bedroom ensuite. And went with a fun palette for the daughter's bathroom with yellow hexagon tiles and a light mint green vanity. We also improved the laundry area by installing functional storage and a folding counter.